Bullish Cardano cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.78 and $3.36 by 2030. Market investigators accept ADA could reach $1.38 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is 31 cents. Cardano presentation: the digital money market is increasing continuously. Be that as it may, staying aware of this quick-moving industry is certainly not a simple errand. In this way, numerous financial backers and merchants who need to exploit the market to create huge gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for a careful clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's on the horizon for Cardano in the event that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. However, remember that assuming you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a steady undertaking that calls for both persistence and examination. We should plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin checks out for you. What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive shrewd agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake system, in which holders of the cash are accused of confirming exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital money trades permit you to partake in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to create pay. Cardano's attention on peer-assessed information and proof-based approaches in its advancement separates it from other digital currencies. Most of the digital currency market goes quick, yet Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of recognizing expected gambles. Cardano's specialized investigation, albeit a great deal of hypothesis is engaged with anticipating evaluating development for Cardano and the bigger cryptographic money market. There are a few possible significant movers for Cardano not too far off. You can follow an unmistakable and reality put together perspective with respect to your exchanging related choices through specialized examination. Following are probably the most utilized specialized markers. Moving midpoints: this particular pointer is assembled utilizing Cardano costs got from before information. Utilizing moving midpoints, merchants can decide how the cost of Cardano has changed over the long haul and where it is moving in light of the data within reach. Relative strength file: this is the graph to check if you have any desire to decide if Cardano has been overbought or oversold. You can utilize the overall strength list to decide the market's tone and contribute or sell appropriately. For instance, a looming downturn is ordinarily anticipated by a cost increment and an overbought signal, while a cost drop and an oversold signal foresee a looming cost gain. Moving normal union difference: moving normal intermingling disparity, or MACD, alludes to contrasting a 26 and 12 period outstanding moving normal. A solid pointer tells you when merchants are changing from buying to selling Cardano as well as the other way around. Cardano's particular incentive is its undeniable strength. They aren't intending to catch the whole market for brilliant agreements and dApps. All things being equal, they focus on building a serviceable decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer design keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable regarding innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the process part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. Besides, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 engineers reliably dealing with the task. Because of these huge quantities of engineers, the coin is probably going to surpass Ethereum in market predominance and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. Cardano is right now worth 39 cents USD. ADA has moved 1.28% as of now with an exchanging volume of $255,246,460. Cardano is right now position 7 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $13,645,104,665 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Cardano market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Cardano Value Expectation 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The ADA cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 59 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 55 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 47 cents. Cardano value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Cardano ADA cost expectation has a lot of space for development because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives. We guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 98 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the ADA's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market instability. ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 79 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 86 cents. Cardano value expectation 2025 on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.38 and ADA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.26 and a low of $1.19 in 2025. Cardano value expectation 2026 assuming Cardano effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees. The ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.78, with a base cost of $1.58 and a typical cost of $1.66. Cardano value expectation 2027 after some broad determining and specialized examination. We gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.05 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.98 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ADA has a most extreme value worth of $2.17. Cardano value forecast 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.45. On the off chance that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $2.57. Neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.37. Cardano value expectation 2029 while ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.77 and a yearly cost close above $2.96 in 2029. Cardano value forecast 2030 by 2030. Cardano will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $3.16 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $3.36, averaging out at $3.24. Cardano value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $3.87 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.71. Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep